Hey everybody, Don Dabney, owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really nice 1966 Corvette C2 convertible. And in this video, I'm going to take you around this old Corvette. We're going to go under the Corvette, but we're also going to take a ride in it, so buckle up. Right up to speed, nice and quickly. Cruising along about 50 miles an hour, about as fast as I can go here. Suspension's tight, braking, driving, suspension, everything feels great on it. The fuel, battery, speedometer, RPM gauge, oil pressure, water temperature, and the clock all in good working order. It has the stock radio, which doesn't have very good reception, but it has a controller down here and it has these audio inputs, so you can just plug your device in and go with that. Air conditioning's blowing nice and cold. The heater's nice and warm. Just a really great car to drive. Really comfortable, and it's great. The power steering, power brakes, power windows, automatic. Couldn't be easier to drive. Just really relaxed. Plenty of power, feels great going down the road. It's very comfortable. Beautiful interior, nice leather seats. Any day I can take out a cool C2 is a good day. So there you go. So if you're over on a third-party site, make sure you get over to my website, which is leftcoastclassics.com right here. And because over there, I've got a lot more content than you're going to find on the third-party sites, a lot more photos. I'm guessing with this car, it's going to be somewhere around 300 plus minus around on the photos. I also keep all of those photos in high resolution. So if you want to get copies of those, you can call or text me directly on this number right here. This is my mobile number. And I'm happy to send you back links to my Dropbox so you can just like zoom in on a speck of dust. So do that, and if you could, like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. We're somewhere north of, I think 9.3 million views on my YouTube channel now, which is pretty exciting. Would like to get it up to 10 million. And you know, a lot of the time it's like I'm driving around in cars you may not be buying, but it's kind of fun because I'm driving bitchin' cars in the wine country up here in Sonoma or down at my place in Orange County. So that's a good time. Like and subscribe, and check us out on 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers, my favorite car show in the world. We did a 57 Ford Thunderbird, this one right here, years ago. That's like 10 plus years ago, maybe 12. We did a 1972 Lancia Fulvia. That was a great car. And the last episode was the end of December of 2020. It aired on Motor Trend, and that was a 100 Triumph TR4. So check all those out. And again, always just try and get me directly on my cell phone. Call or text me anytime, and I'm always happy to chat cars. All right, thanks for checking out this cool C2. All right, let's head under. So you got a nice tire carrier, and it does have a spare tire in it. Nice exhaust system. Coming up here, it's got some newer shocks at the rear. Nice floors. Everything looks good up here. Yeah, it's just really nice under here. It looks like it's got a newer starter in it. So we got a real nice undercarriage on this one. All right, we'll just get up close with the lower body. It's very clean and nice. Consistent throughout. A little bit dirty because I've been out driving it. Looks like nice fit and finish. Lower strip just looks like they took the original and put it back on. But overall it looks really nice down here. Nice clean lower valance area. Yeah, overall it looks great.